Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will discuss with you that how you can remove the oil stains from the utensils. So now you can see there are a lot of oil grease over here that is stuck to the utensils. Now we need to clean it with the help of some easy and good tricks. For this I will share with you two best home remedies. The first remedy to remove the oil grease from utensil is rice water. Like you can see, I have dipped some rice into the water, and this rice water is used to clean the utensils in a perfect manner. So let's start today's video with the first remedy. So we'll take a Scotch Brite with the help of which we need to clean it. So these are the two utensils. Now first of all you need to spread some rice water all over to the utensils, because it is very important for the utensils that are having oil stains to dip into the rice water, because it will help in cleaning the oil grease perfectly from the utensils. Let it sit for at least 1 minute so that the rice water get easily absorbed by the utensils. You need to spread the water like this and let it sit for few minutes. Now with the help of Scotch Brite we will gently try to remove or rub into our utensil like this, so that the oil grease can easily come out from the utensil. Now you can see I am removing the oil grease from the stain with the help of rice water only. After rubbing it for once time, let it sit here for 1 minute like this only, and same we'll try on our next utensil also. Now you can see the difference. The oil grease is coming out from our plastic utensil, as it is very stubborn stain. It is very difficult to remove, and these are the set stains. Oil stains are very difficult to remove, especially the grease from oil. But with the help of this trick, you can easily remove it. You can see the oil grease. It is coming out from the utensil and it is getting cleaner. We'll rub it on outer area also. So friends, you can see now the next step will be to rub it tightly with the help of your hands like this, so that all the dirt that is caused by the oil can be cleaned out with the help of this rice water only. So the next step will be to wash the utensil in the clean water. So now in clean water I will be washing the utensil, so that the rice water can also come out. And there are rice also in between the water, so it can also come out. So we have washed our plastic utensil and our oil grease has automatically come out. Now we'll rub it with the help of clean cloth. After this, if you want, you can also wash it again with your liquid detergent. but you can see a great difference that after using this remedy, all your oil stains are gone and there are no oil stains left. So now I will show you the second remedy to remove the oil grease. I have already applied the rice water, but you can also use baking soda as well as a lemon. To remove the oil grease, take a lemon and dip it in the rice baking soda like this and rub it all over to the part where there are oil stains on your utensils. It has very excellent properties that is used to remove the stubborn stains from any utensils. We'll squeeze some lemon juice over to our utensils and rub it all over like this. So friends, like you can see, you need to rub it all over to the utensil or over the part where there are oil grease that is stuck at your utensil. Just squeeze some lemon juice, let it sit for a few seconds like this only, and rub it gently in a circular motion like this. And the next step is to clean the utensil in a cold water or normal water, you can use it. So now we'll clean our utensil. In cold or normal water, and you can see the dirt has come out from the utensil. So like this, you can use any of the trick to remove the oil grease from your utensils in easy manner. After this, if you wish, you can use liquid detergent also to wash the final utensils, to give it a final way to wash the utensils properly. So guys, do try this remedy and please like, share, subscribe and comment.